Want to ditch the keyboard and finally feel the road in Assetto Corsa with your Thrustmaster T80? First, make sure your Thrustmaster T80 is physically connected to your PC via the USB cable. Windows should automatically recognize it. Just to be sure, check your device manager, search for it in the Windows search bar. You should see the wheel listed under controllers. If there's a yellow exclamation mark, you may need to download the drivers from the Thrustmaster website. Now, launch Assetto Corsa. Head over to Options and then click on Controls. In the Input Device selection at the top, find and select your Thrustmaster T80. It might appear with a slightly different name but should be easily identifiable. Now, under the Axis section, map the wheel and pedals. Click on the steering axis and then turn your wheel. Assetto Corsa should automatically detect it. Do the same for the accelerator and brake axes by pressing down on the respective pedals. Fine-tune the sensitivity and dead zones to your liking. A lower sensitivity setting generally provides more precision. And there you have it. Now you're all set to experience Assetto Corsa with your Thrustmaster T80. Go test your newly configured wheel and enjoy.